Hey, yo, what's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Hey, Happy New Year and all that good stuff. All right, no New Year's resolutions. We just doing what we do. I'm gonna make the first video of the year for you guys right after my intro. We're gonna get into some more designing. Yes. Like I said, y'all, we're gonna get in some designing today. Alright, now before I start, let me just let y'all know this. Now, I know a lot of y'all don't know how to design, or you might use graphic designers, so on and so forth. But some of y'all might not have the funds to actually hire a graphic designer. So I'm gonna show y'all an easy way. You guys can use some templates on CADWorks Live, this free editing software, you know, to get the job done. Now, yeah, I know I spoke about this Stars free software a million times, man. And it's very easy to use and navigate through. I ain't gonna do a long one like I've done in the past. I'm just gonna show you guys, you know, some quick little basics, you know, to get you started. You know, if you want to do like a birthday shirt, or I don't know, a RIP shirt, or anything you might have in mind that you can utilize this free software, you know, to, you know, accomplish what you're trying to get done. All right, so let me get right into it. Now, before this video ends, y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so y'all don't miss nothing. It's my first joint of 2022, and we about to go hard body this year. All right, y'all, so let's get into it. First of all, if you look over here to the left, follow the arrow, templates. Click on templates. All right, and as you can see, you know, there's multiple pages of, you know, little templates you can go through and find something to help accommodate you. All right, so we got 21 pages of a bunch of different templates. All right, I'm just gonna go right back to the beginning real quick. I'm just gonna grab one of these joints and see how we can use it and come up with something funky. All right, I like this one right here. So let's click on that outdoorsy. All right, this look like you can put it on like I don't know, a t-shirt or a hat. All right, I don't know who was the original, you know, designer of this artwork, but it's free. You can use, you can change it up, you can do whatever you want with it. All right, now when you click on the image, like each and every one of these images or colors are separate. So I'm just going to click on the outdoorsy font real quick, and I'm just going to change it up a little bit. Let's say I wanted to say outdoor shit. All right, so let's change that up a little bit. Let's say you had a YouTube channel called Outdoor Shit. All right, so I just changed that. Boom, simple and easy. If I wanted to change the color, I could do that too. Right here, click on this bucket. Right now, it's like a funky, like navy blue. Let's say I wanted to look like more outdoorsy. So I'll click on, let's go with this army green. See how it looks. All right, that army green look pretty tough. Now we got our mountain. All right, now the mountain also is like it's white and like navy blue. Let's say we wanted to change that. First of all, let's go back real quick, because there's two colors in here and it looked like they condensed it. So we're just pretty much gonna go here Go up here to edit, scroll down to break apart by colors. All right, so now that's broken apart by colors. Now I can just click on that white. And I like the white, excuse me. You know, represent, you know, snow. Click on it again. Grab that. Let's grab that blue background. We don't like that blue. All right, let's see what let's see how it would look if it was. Excuse me. Let's go back real quick. Let's see how this would look black. Go to true black. Boom. To me, that looked better. All right, now the individual colors in the background. Let's click on those real quick. All right, there's 3 separate colors here, so we're gonna break those apart by colors as well. So just click on it, go back up here to shaping, go to break apart by colors. All right, see how they came forward? Now, don't be afraid. You can easily push these back to the back by clicking on them. Double click, right click, and just push it and just go right here to back. You can push that bad boy right back to the back. All right, now let's say we wanted to change that to like, let's say we wanted these to be like all yellow. All right, to represent the sun or what have you. Or just leave this little orange strip right there. Push that to the back. I think that looked kind of hard. All right. Now, I want to move that up a little bit. All right. Now let's say we wanted to add a contour to this shape. All you gotta do is go here, add a contour. See how it came out as gray? We don't want gray though. We could change that to like white. Well, nah. Let's use something that's gonna stand out. Let's use that army green again. Yeah. Click on that bottom yellow strip. Add a contour to that as well. Small contour. Once again, hit it with the army green. Boom. And just leave that orange in the middle as is. That looked kind of funky to me. Now, go back to the mountains real quick, because that black, now that I changed up a few of these colors, the black is a little, I don't know, let me change it. Let me see how it would look with like a brown. Let's go with this. Let's go with this Longhorns here, this color right here. Boom, that look hard right there, y'all. Now, if you want to see what it looked like what it would look like on a garment, all right, let's just minimize it real quick. So select all. I used the mouse to select everything, but you can also, let me just click out of it. You can also come up here to edit and just actually click on select all, and it does the same purpose. All right, so we're gonna minimize that real quick. Grab the corner, bust it down. Now we're gonna import something that we already got saved in our computer. All right, so let's import, like, let's see what it would look like on a black hoodie. It should pop up anyway. All right, now it's too big, so we're just gonna shrink it down a little bit. All right, there's our hoodie. We're gonna shrink it down some more, so just grab it, drag it, pretty much till we get it to where that'll do right there. Now we're gonna bring our image to the front. throw that in the center of this hoodie. Boom. Now there you have it. See? You know what I'm saying, y'all? It's quick and easy, baby. You know, this is how, you know, I do, you know, some of my designs. You know, just come up with something real quick. Then you throw on, you know, a template, a hoodie or a t-shirt or something just to see how it will come out. All right, so there you go, y'all. This video was pretty much basically a way to show you guys how to use, you know, this CADWorks Live software and use one of their templates already stored inside the software, so you can come up with something of your own that you could potentially put on anything. A hat, a t-shirt, a hoodie, a jacket, I don't know, a scarf, and, you know, pretty much price it up, sell it, and make some money with it, or just keep it for yourself. Boom, there you go. Like I said in the beginning of this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up, make sure you hit that bell notification, and keep continuing to support your boy, because I'm just going to keep growing and keep getting bigger. And all you haters out there, yeah, I said all you haters out there, get off my nuts, man. I don't owe y'all nothing at the end of the day, all right? If you don't like my platform, or if you don't like the way I'm doing my business, hey, you don't have to come and watch my videos, all right? Go watch somebody else's shit, all right? I'm gonna leave that at that. But till next time, y'all, like I say always, let's get it. And don't forget to hit the link down below and check out my Patreon for other exclusive videos and tips and ideas, all right?
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.